focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we're doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be giving you like a quick birthday maintenance vlog. We're going to be doing my hair and my nails, and it's just going to be a cute little video. If you like this video, give it a like, comment and share. If you want to see more of my face and more of my content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So we're going to start off with my hair. So here I am just washing my hair. It's in like mini braids because I'm leaving it in mini braids just so that my hair can grow. So I've done like shampoo, conditioner, and I'm just here washing it out. And yeah, just giving it a good wash. And then what I did, I plaited it into cane rolls once I had washed and left it to air dry. I didn't use a hair dryer, I just left it to air dry. Then here I am gluing on my wig, my bday wig. So I'm using the PBL lace glue. I'm gonna link it in the description. It's from a small brand, but the glue is really strong, and it's one of them glues, yeah, it actually does what it says it's meant to do. Because a lot of them, they say that they're going to be like really strong hold, and it's not. So this one was really good. I did like, this is me applying the second layer, I believe, maybe third. So what I do, I put the glue on, dry it with a hair dryer, and then I get usually I get like a wooden thing, but I didn't have that, so I'm using like the end of like a hair clip to just like smooth it on so it's flat on my head, so it's not all bumpy and thick, because then that's when it starts to show through the lace and it doesn't look good. I promise you, it really does not look that good. So I'm just like brushing it through with that the end of it just to make it set. And can you see like the layer is actually really thin, but I'm putting another layer on top because I want it to be like really strong and I wanted it to last for like a few days. I didn't want it to just like come out because I needed it to last, do you know what I mean? Like I needed it to look good. So I'm using my hair dryer to just dry it through. And look at me, I was kind of having enough of doing it at this point because I felt like this was like layer number 3. I can't even remember how many layers I did. Maybe I did 4, you know. No, there's no way I would have done 4. I think I did 3. I think it was 3. But yeah, so I'm just letting it dry, letting it set. And this wig I also got from AliExpress. Bday wig, bday hair, did it different. I curled it before as well, so I got my hair curler, curled it like backwards, like facing away from me, so it looks more like, gives more like a blowout type look in the end. And I left it in like I rolled it up and used like clips to just hold it in place. Hairsprayed it before I started like installing it and putting it on my head. And this is how it looked like this after I'd like taking it out and like giving it like a quick comb out, just so I could see how it would look if I was to start applying it. But this is not a finished look, I promise ya. So can you see how it looks tacky? Look how it looks so tacky, like not in a bad way, but like the glue is tacky enough. So I'm just drying it on again just to make sure it double dries out. So this is a bit more of a close-up look, so you can see exactly how I'm doing it. Because you need it to be like flat. Like this is not how it needs to be. Like how it looks right in the middle of my head is how it's meant to be. So there I am, just like moving the wig forward, just positioning it perfecto, so it looks like really like it looked good, you know what I mean? I'd already kind of like dyed the lace as well. Not dyed it, like I put some like foundation on the lace just so it matches my skin tone a bit better, and just brush that through just so the colour looks better. So I'm just like putting it on my head. Yeah, I'm just trying to like make it look flat. Yeah, this was a struggle, I can't even lie to you, because I felt like my head was like too small, or the wig was too small. So saying was a bit off. But anyway, so I'm putting like my melt band on, and I left this on like this for about 15 minutes. I didn't leave it for too long because you're not actually meant to leave it on for too long, because then it just creates heat and it's not good for your head, because then obviously it's not melting off. I know you want it to look melted, but you gotta, do you know what I mean? You can't do too much. So I just did an extra layer on the corner just to properly set it on, because that was coming up a bit. Then I got my scissors and I got like my eyebrow tweezers, not tweezers, razor, I don't know what it's called, like a little razor. I'm gonna put a picture of it on the screen just to like sharpen it up and cut off any excess, because there was a lot of excess. Then I got my got to be spray, sprayed it on and let that thing melt, and then I put the melt band back on just so it was double melted and it looked good. I'll show you in the end. Now on to my nails. I went to my regular nail shop. I decided to get almond nails this time, and I was deciding on a colour for my toes, but for my nails I did like a chrome gold, like that colour, and they turned out so good. So yeah, this was the final look. They were really pretty and exactly how I wanted them to be. If you did like this video, be sure to give it a like, comment and share, and if you want to see more of my face and more of my content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, that is it.